Yes, sir. What's up, my people? Back out here with another one. Man, listen. Going to go get him today. Look who I got out here with me, man. Yes, sir.
We back at it.
We back at it, man. Listen, we about to go out here and do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Listen, man. We almost at that 1K, baby. Y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that button. You know, hit that bell, man. Show love. And let's go. Yes, sir. People, let's go. Hey, beautiful day out here, man. Nice and cool. Hey, I'll let y'all know when we get to the spot, man. That boy got it. But what you said you wanted to catch now?
You want to catch the drum.
You said that. Yeah. Let me get up in front of you, man. I got you. Come on, man.
Every time you get hooked up with it, you're gonna catch something.
Yeah, man. That boy said he wanted to get a drum. He might not be the size he wanted, but he dang sure got a drum.
That's facts.
That's crazy, man. Go ahead and go through this way, right? Go on. Huh? Yeah, go on, let him go. Let the people see. Yes, sir. Good job, my boy.
Nice shit,
let's go, people. Yes, sir. Stop all that gyrations, man. Stop all that gyrations, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. Come on, man. I do this for real, man. I do this for y'all. Let's go. Faster. Yeah, man. Y'all see it, man. Oh. Y'all seen him. But, yeah. Hit y'all up in a second, man. Let's go. See, bro, man. Hold on, I got you, boy. I got you. Look good,
guy. Mother now.
Got you, my boy.
Big boys.
Yo, y'all see him though? Y'all see him? What you say, bro? Yeah, man. You should subscribe to my channel for me, man.
I'm already on there.
You in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what it is. Hey, they already on my channel, man. Ain't nothing but love. Y'all see that? Hey, let's go. Come on, get him up here, kite. Get him up here, kite. Okay. Yeah. Y'all see that, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Get in there. Yes, sir, man. Good job, brother.
Hooked up with him now.
Yes, sir. Let's go, man. I'll bring him to you. Oh, he look good. He look good. Yes, sir.
Man, that boy.
Yes, sir.
That's a grown man.
Yes, sir. Told you what I told you. Oh, boy. I ain't gonna lie.
Man, that boy.
I ain't gonna lie. I don't think y'all know how big this thing is, boy.
That's a grown man, that boy.
But as him, boy, I'll tell you, hold on, man.
That's a grown man.
Man, come on, man. Y'all see what's going on? Hold up real quick, y'all. Let me flip this thing around, man. Hold on. Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Let me talk my talk for a little bit, boy. Let me talk it a little bit. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, a whole bunch of it, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Show your boy some love, man. I'm just trying to do something positive out here, man. Let's go. Hey, now. Man, listen. Okay, now.
Gotta get 12, bro.
Hey, if you got to measure his size, what happened, bro?
Gotta calm back.
He ain't allowed in the club.
Say he ain't allowed in there.
Boy, I got to measure his size. He ain't allowed in the club. Look behind you, bro. Y'all see them dolphins? Yeah. Yes, sir. Want to throw that boy back, boy. Woohoo! Release. Nice little head.
That fish weight good.
Nice little head, man. Yes, sir. Oh, he tried to get me, y'all. There we go. That boy beautiful, like they say in Tennessee. Beautiful. Let's go. Get up here. That boy be over. Get up here. Y'all see what's going on, man. Come on, man. Big boys. I'll turn y'all on in a second. Hold on. Keep me right, man. Hold on. Y'all see what's on? Y'all see what's going on? Come on, man. Big boys. Hey, appreciate y'all watching, man. You already know. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell. Be nice to people. Show love. Let's go. Yes, sir. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, my people? Come on, man. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell, man. Yes, sir. Let's get up here. That boy be over. Get up here. Y'all see what's going on, man. Come on, man. Big boys. I'll turn y'all on this neither.
Yeah. I don't know if there's, I think Cocoa Beach might do them, I think.
Oh, okay. All right, my boy. I was just checking in.
Hell yeah. Well, hell yeah. Yeah, man, I've been watching all your YouTube videos. That shit's so awesome, man.
Man, I'm putting in that work, man.
Dude, you're good as fucking fishing, dude. I know there's some editing into it and shit, but man, like, you be killing it.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna go. I'll be
family.
Yeah, I'll be fishing on live too, on Facebook Live. Catch.
Oh, really? I deleted Facebook.
Yeah, I know.
At the beginning of the year or whatever.
Yeah, you've been out of there.
That's freaking awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
You gotta take me one time, because every time I ever went fishing, I always say it's boring because I never catch fish.
I got you.
It don't seem like that's a problem for you.
Nope, we're gonna go get them.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. All right, bro. I was just checking in, my boy. Just speaking.
All right, good, man. It's good talking to you.
All right, boss.
All right, man. Hey, Happy New Year.
Yes, sir. You too, bro.
All right, later.
All right. Yo, where you at, my boy?
What's going on with you?
Where they at?
Huh?
I said, where they at?
Man, shit, that motherfucking the bridge just fucked them up.
You ain't out there no more?
Nah, I'm out West Coast go fishing. Cut my house. Them bitches had no fenders though. That top in the kayaks. We hit them bitches. I hit 3. My homeboy hit 1.
What?
We hit them bitches less than 2 hours. Got the hell on.
What's up? What?
I hit 2 in damn 30 minutes and gave him to Joe Riddle.
Oh, what y'all was using for bait?
Not fillers. Blue. I had some frozen blue crab.
Oh, I thought it was out there biting on them shrimp.
They picked the, but what it was, this the thing. The first one I hit popped me off, and then it took a few minutes for another hit. So I had a little small piece of blue crab, and I put a live shrimp on there, and that's how we hit the rest on. It's like they wanted a piece of blue crab, the live shrimp.
Okay.
But they'll hit that live shrimp because Stacy and all them niggas, they said they were hitting them bitches on dead shrimp.
Yeah, that's what my daddy told me. They was out there biting them on dead shrimp. We about to pull up out there.
Yeah. Shit, I'm here with my home, but I might fuck around with when we get out, cause he gonna get an edge up. Shit, cause we might go back out there.
Hey man, we got one on, man. We lit.
With AD, dog, you be
Hey, you eat me. Hooked up with ADMD, you feel me?
Yeah, man.
Parked them.
From the scratched up line.
Damn. Hey. Yes, sir. That be happening to all of y'all. See, all three of us it don't happen to, man. Let's go, people. What in that? Yes, sir. But listen, y'all see me put that work on that boy? Y'all seen that? Listen, yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up in a second, man. Let me show you what that boy look like, man. Let's go. About to get up out of here, man. You like a different scenery, huh? You see that? You see that? That's gonna be the next video coming soon for y'all. I'm gonna start fishing at this spot. Try to do a little something. But listen, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Like, share, subscribe. You gotta ride that way. You gotta ride that way. You know, smash the bell. And you know, I don't know. Let's go, people. Let's go, people. Let's go. Hey, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell. Hey, y'all see it now. Come on, man. We getting fish now. We getting fish now. We do this for real. We go shopping, man. We went shopping today, man. But yeah, like I was saying, man, like, share, subscribe. Show your boy some love. I appreciate y'all. Until next time, people. Let's go.